Tired of your footage looking flat and static? Let's inject some life into your videos by changing their perspective in Premiere Pro using the powerful free transform tools. First, locate your video clip on your Premiere Pro timeline and make sure it is selected. This tells Premiere Pro which clip you want to manipulate. Now, head over to your Effect Controls panel. If it's not visible, you can find it by going to Window, and then selecting Effect Controls. Within the Effect Controls, look for the Motion section, click to expand it if it's not already open. Here, you'll see a range of transformative properties, but our focus today is on how to alter the visual viewpoint while scale and position are essential. We're going to play with how the clip itself is presented. Now, switch your attention to your program monitor, where your video is playing. When your clip is selected, you'll notice a bounding box around it. This bounding box is your key to free transform. To change the perspective, simply click and drag on any of the corners of this bounding box. As you drag inward, you'll see the clip shrink and its perspective skew, giving you that sense of depth. You can also grab and drag the handles on the sides or top and bottom of the bounding box. This allows you to skew the video horizontally or vertically, creating more dramatic distortions and creative framing. For even more dynamic possibilities, grab the small rotation handle that appears when you hover around a corner of the bounding box. Dragging this will allow you to freely rotate your clip, adding another layer of visual interest. As you make these adjustments in the program monitor, you'll see the corresponding values for position, scale, and rotation update in the Effect Controls panel. You can also fine-tune these values directly in the Effect Controls panel for precise control. By mastering these free transform tools, you can easily manipulate the visual viewpoint of your video clips, adding depth, dynamism, and truly compelling effects to your storytelling. Experiment with different combinations of scaling, skewing, and rotating to unlock your creative potential.